It's a 2016 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.